My name is Vasile. About true meditation. During meditation, do not do it like the sage, but do it simply and carefully, and have the faith of a child. That peace is near and you will share it. In failures, don't lose heart. Do not let yourself be deceived by the thought that you will ever become something, you will acquire something, because these are not in your power. We get the gifts when we deserve them, when we do everything we can, and only when we are ready to receive them. Otherwise, the new wine put in old wineskins will be spilled. We will acquire gifts, but not before acquiring a suitable meditative disposition, and a permanent state of modesty is required of us. What you have to do is to always force yourself in everything and let yourself be inspired, which always comes to us, and being in a patient expectation, never leave meditation for anything. I wish you luck. Vasile.